In any case, it looks like the Eight Tails is in this direction. I've heard the Eight Tails is a pretty tough opponent. This ought to be fun. Looks like I'll finally be able to feed Sharkskin some first-class chakra again. All right, let's get going. Whoever my opponent is, I'll grind them to pieces.
Mission start.
It's gotten awfully noisy back there for some reason. I suppose it's about time they sent out Jinchūriki search parties. If that's the case, I'd better go a little faster.
Who are you?
So, they were Cloud Ninja after all.
Water style! Fight and a shot!
That cloak! You're from the Akatsuki!
Are you looking for the eight-tailed Jinchūriki as well?
How did you know that?
Because my quarry is the same.
So, you Akatsuki punks are after Lord B again!
All these ninja, they seem to have a lot of spare time on their hands. Hidden Cloud was pretty quick to send out search parties. What do you know? Cloud Ninja are pretty good.
Water shock bomb jutsu! Try this on for style! Water style! Fight and a shock!
Hidden Cloud was pretty quick to send out search parties.
Gotcha! Gotcha!
All these ninja, they seem to have a lot of spare time on their hands. Excellent work. You Cloud Ninja live up to your reputation. Both of us keep getting closer to the Jinchūriki. I see I can't afford to get careless.
Gotcha! Gotcha!
What are you? A monster?
Try this on for
You must be one of the Akatsuki.
Water style! Fight and a shock!
My. So you've shown yourselves.
What's someone dressed as an Akatsuki doing out here?
I think we're hunting for the same thing.
Water style!
You mean you're after Lord B?
My mission is to capture the Eight Tails. And I've already pinpointed his location.
Why you? We won't hand over Lord B.
Take that!
What do you know? Cloud Ninja are pretty good.
Water shock bomb jutsu!
All these ninja, they seem to have a lot of spare time on their hands.
Take that! Attack!
My goodness. Just how many people do you have out here searching? It's only a little bit further to the eight-tailed Jinchūriki.
I thought I heard some noise, but I never expected the Akatsuki.
You seem to have a little bit of skill. But of course, you're still no match for me.
Try this on!
I won't let you lay a finger on Lord B.
Water style! Five color shock!
Oh my, aren't you courageous? It seems you don't realize just how terrifying I can be.
Water shock!
Well, I'll see to it that you find out right now.
Water shock bomb jutsu! Take that! Water style! Water shock bomb jutsu!
It was pretty quick to send out search parties.
Water shockwave! Take that! Water style! Explosive water shockwave!
What do you know? Cloud Ninja are pretty good.
Take that! Take that!
All these ninja, they seem to have a lot of spare time on their hands.
Take that! Take that!
Hidden Cloud was pretty quick to send out search parties. All these ninja, they seem to have a lot of spare time on their hands.
Try this on for style! Water style! Five color shock! Take that!
What are you? A monster?
Water shock bomb jutsu! Water shock bomb jutsu!
What do you know?
Water shock bomb
Cloud Ninja
jutsu!
are pretty good.
Now for the real fight!
You were quite a handful, but... forget it. Now I can search in peace.
Water style! Water shock bomb jutsu!
Hidden Cloud was pretty quick to send out search parties. Well then, here comes the main event. The Jinchūriki of the Eight Tails. My first real challenge in a long time.
Mission complete.
Well, I'll just think of them as an appetizer before the main course. At last, the Eight Tails is next. Just how strong is he, I wonder? I will have to savor this. I hope Sharkskin enjoys this as much as I will.